Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so Rahu and Ketu transit for Aquarius zodiac sign. For Aquarius moon sign, Rahu is transiting in the fourth house. So this is really enjoyable time for you guys because you will be enjoying the comforts and materialistic pleasures during this point of time, and you are more inclined towards worldly aspects compared to the religious aspects during this point of time. And also you should be careful with regards to real estate transactions in terms of buying or selling your landed properties and also houses, as well as selling of lands. In fact, I have told you on that. Okay, and also you have to be very cautious in terms of driving because there are the chances that you might get into any kind of avoiding those over speeding, and also not wearing of helmet. Make sure that you follow the traffic rules during this point of time. Because why? Because fourth house talks about vehicles as well. Okay, Rahu transiting into the fourth house, so you might get that urge of breaking the rules because Rahu is all about breaking the rules. So make sure that you follow the traffic rules and make sure that you wear the helmet and follow the strict traffic rules during when you are driving, and also please avoid overspeeding. Okay, and there is a possibility for you to get relocated to new areas. Okay, there is a possibility for you to relocate to a new areas. There is, and also there is a good chances for aspiring students to get admission in overseas universities during this point of time. Okay, there are good chances for aspiring students to get admission into overseas universities during this point of time. And Ketu transit in 10th house. Ketu is transiting in 10th house for your zodiac sign, and it is considered as favorable because Ketu in the 10th house provides you enough of respect, enough of knowledge to work at your workplace, how you can able to handle the situations and all that kind of smart player, smart team player kind of attitude that Ketu will be granting you during this point of time. And Ketu can also provide you support from your bosses, and also you'll be working up to your full potential at your organization, and also people will be respecting for your knowledge. And Ketu in the 10th house Ketu is transiting the 10th house for you, also get you the career success. If at all you have any desires to fulfill your career goals, here you will be this Ketu transit is very much favorable. And also Ketu in the 10th house also provides you respect from foreign individuals. Also will be having contacts with the foreign individuals, and you'll be favoring with regards to that. And also you will start showing some interest into occult sciences such as astrology, palmistry, numerology, tarot card reading, healing, all those kind of methodologies you like to get investigate into it. And also you'll be giving more importance towards religious aspects of your life, and also few of them also develop that spiritualism in their life. They try to focus upon giving importance to spirituality, and they try to go into the spiritual path. And also there are the chances that you might not uh, you might avoid taking many responsibilities. So you got to show that enthusiasm, you got to show that zeal, and you need to perform the duties up to your high potential. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. So Rahu Ketu transit, so he's being very favorable for you guys. So congratulations for all the Aquarius zodiac signs. But anyhow, before I conclude, I have to see your birth chart. This is just a Rahu Ketu transit. There are other 7 planets also plays its own role in your birth chart. So for that, I have to see your birth chart. I have to investigate and have to analyze your birth chart. For that, you got to book for the consultation. The link is mentioned in the description section. Please book for the consultation. Once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. So thank you so much for watching this video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon next to subscribe button so that you'll be notified on the future videos. Okay, so thank you so much, and do mention in the comment section what exactly you loved from this video, and also let me know what exactly you want to learn from my videos so that I know I can start making videos on that as well. Okay, and click on that like button if at all you love this video. So in that way I know that you're following my videos. All right, so thank you so much, and see you in our next video. Bye.